going and they keep checking when the water, because it's rained again yesterday. The water had receded again. It's important that they have to go back for that reason. Let enough funds to build something for them, get them seeds, start their farming again. And basic farming. There are a lot of people in this camp are not farmers. There are people who are like laborers. They will like maybe a cycle, something to start their work on. A few women know how to stitch, so we can give them sewing machines. And I have started an integration program with the USA for handicrafts. My mothers of my school in Karachi, who are the poor ladies, one of them is with me today. She's the mother of
She's here.
So they are making things out of waste products, like plastic bags. And those things are going to the US. And my son is in Penn State University, and he is we are collaborating with them so that these waste things are going there and they're being sold for $1. They're getting income from that. Now those things today we are going to teach them to make. So that they can make, and they get a lot of waste here. You know, there's a lot of plastic bags, and they can use those plastic bags to make bracelets. Students over there in the US feel very proud to wear waste paper. You know, it's a recycling project. So I brought those things and I wanted to show them to you. You know what they're making, and this is what we're going to try. And integration program between the students of my school in Liari and between Waqas, who is in Penn State University. So we are making products out of waste. He is working on bracelet products. So waste ke khel वगैरह to bracelets and all, and we send a slot to someone and it sold like. It's like an income for those ladies. What we thought is we're going to start this year with these women, because making from waste is so easy, and this is one of this lady here. She's my teacher from school. She's from Liari. She's a mother of my child who's studying in my school. So the women who are making those handicrafts, and they've gone so well, mashallah, ke Waqas sent me another order, ye aur banane. So I thought, why not give these women to do those things? So theliyan इनके पास बहुत आती हैं, सामान भी आता है, cuttings होती हैं. So I thought I should bring it with me and show it to you, these things, like you know, this trolley work, and these are laptop covers. These are not trolleys, these are laptop covers. So they are going to US for this. Yeah, this is all waste material. You know the cuttings that are left out from the sewing. So you pick them up from the tailors. You pick these pieces up from the tailors. तो हमारा हमको पता है ये. Then these are bardans, you know, चावल की बोरियां जो इसके मैच पर. ये thick चावल. ये इन्होंने बनाई है. फिर ये सूट लिया है. इनसे hair bands बनते हैं and they love it. These are like bands. Yeah. And these are all yeah. But all the waste. Then these are coin pouches. These are also pieces. Not pieces.
So these have been made by the moms
of my school. So, but I brought the mom with me today कि तुम आप इनको सिखाओ, so that we can give them, you know, just they want this, so that they start earning a little bit. This is the same. And then we have these old pens, and they wrap thread around these old pens and make them look so pretty that, and you can have your names written on it.
And this so is they in the center there?
They sold for $1 each there. Yeah. So Waqas is very excited about it, and Waqas said कि इसके पीछे story भी ज़रूर होनी चाहिए. Whoever is making it, you know, you need to record the story that these are the people who are flood affected and they're trying to do this. So our today's venture, basically it was tomorrow's venture, जब हम कल आने वाले थे, but because we were coming here, so हमने सोचा आज इन लोगों को ये चीज़ें सिखा दें.
Came especially to meet you.
Yeah, it is. I'm so excited. Today we will do this. And please, can you give this in the car?
I mean, you should send your profile to me.
अरे बारे
You know my
और
email.
मुझे क्या खिला दो
I'll give you my card. Send me the email and I'll send it to her. You give her the
I
card.
give you
वहाँ
my
क्या बारे
card.
हटे
You have my card? No, you should.
I have. Do you want? If you want.
No, it's in my purse. Anam, can you bring my purse?
I have also.
You don't trust him
You
on
have
the
my
bus?
jacket?
Yeah, I have.
No, I do. I didn't want him to get up from here. That's why.
उसमें से मेरा वॉलेट निकालें.
अब मेरे उसमें
So
बैग
much
में
work
ब्रोशर
is
भी है
going on.
स्कूल का.
Okay.
So card.
बैग लेकर आ जाए.
This need is stands for never ending experiences of earnest deeds.
Never?
Never ending experiences of earnest deeds. That's a triple E. Started off with 4 friends in 2007.
You have a website?
Not yet. Kiran School has a website. Not
मेरा परे निकलो बारे
Kiran School
शायद
is the main page.
When you are on the website, you can connect. That if in every center here, 300
Sure, please.
300 इकड़े में ही शुरू करे वठो
Never ending.
जितने मिनिमम कयो
30 ते 5% सांगना 10
Experience.
म्हणजे
मेन कंफर्म है 300 कंफर्म ही है
सही है
थोड़े असांखे माण्हू असांखे
I started it
फर्स्ट
and I
मंथ
asked my
में असांजो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैनेजर तव्हांखे ब्रीफ सॼो कंदो
न सुभाणे करे छॾियो मसलो ये डेज काउंट पैसे ना आने सुभाणे असां
I
काउंट
cannot
करियां
respond when we were starting the school over there.
ठीक है you call him
We had
up
picked up
I will
children
also call him
literally
up
from the name.
and then I'll send the books direct from Islamabad.
Nobody goes to Bihari. Even my friends who are supporting me, they don't go to Bihari. I'm the only one.
अच्छा हमारे कार्ड में आहे
And these children who were literally on the road, barefoot, are now learning schools like this.
TCS agenda
They've reached and like one of my child is
TCS agenda मतलब तव्हांखे you tell me how many
मकबूल जो या
you tell me how many
They're going to be as good as my own kids. And that's
and टीचर्स का खुद कर लेंगे उनका टीचर्स का कर लेंगे इस कैंप में अगर थोड़ा सा अगर इस टाइप का ऑपरेशन मिल जाता है तो अच्छी बात है नहीं तो भी हम कर लेंगे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ठीक है हम कर लेंगे
yeah.
लर्निंग मटेरियल ॿियो कोन्हे सवाइ
वो बस एक गाइड होंदी उन्हें
I'm a nutritionist.
but teacher will come and he will the district manager come and brief you.
That is also my part-time job.
I think it's better that Habibullah meets you. You plan it, then he documents it to me, and then I send it. ठीक है properly. Because hence is a proper organization, and I want to also I'm account because we are limited company. We need to document it.
God, I had a brochure with me, 2 brochures.
You are very well equipped.
Usually I'm
I'll
not.
tell your aunt how well equipped you are. You met Parveen, eh?
Yeah, I met her.
Last night they had a wonderful concert there. 1,500 people attended, singing and all that. Good.
We're going to have it tomorrow. I have a program here.
So this is the one that you have adopted,
भाई
and they are managing because I understand the expertise. I think this is a good model.
Yeah.
This is a good model because an organization is already on the ground. They are equipped with the men and management and the systems, and you give it to them. So whatever you want to do, they execute properly. I think because volunteers is a limitation because they all will go away.
No, we want to select volunteers from amongst them. Because this is important. We have one lady.
so that they must have some sense of attachment and ownership.
And then one thing, Ravindra, I would suggest, I'm sure you must have it in mind, when they go back, you must continue to connect with them.
Yeah, we have prepared a plan for early recovery also. We told madam, we have prepared a plan for early recovery, then rehabilitation. So we work for long time.
And then rehabilitation,
Stay in
you
connection.
need to prepare for rehabilitation. If you continue to keep them here,
But but immediately there's a need to work on early recovery
Our brothers and
because of
sisters that we have raised.
1.5 months.
1-to-1, one family.
ठीक है, early recovery में you can give them literacy. ठीक? So now because of you, we will send the literacy to their hands. STEM center. We will work with them. So now hands and Amrit Foundation will work together on the literacy for the flood effect. Wonderful.
मेरे लिए तो बस आप आए हैं निसार भाई जी, so happy I am.
She is one of my favorite, child in the family. Because she's raised her children and she doesn't rest a single minute. You were with us in Paris also when we were there. Remember? You had just got married.
I never forget that line.
What did I say?
You said, "Kin baar ki gakhi aayi ho ye?" You said this.
Now the bar is another.
Until my father and them also, they
We're
know
friends,
each
you
other
see.
since I was a little child.
Doctor. Wonderful man. Wonderful man.
I am too. I am too.
So you
For
will.
me, the same. So much. Thank you so much.